Hey, it's me. And I'm just.
Yeah, they missed it.
Damn it, they missed it. Okay, well,
I'm going to bed because I don't feel good. I was to bed.
yeah, she's going to bed. Shut the light. And close that door, because I hate that door open. Might be loud, just be careful. Yeah, because she.
I don't fucking feel good. I just don't get it.
Throw that over there. So, I'm just chilling.
Staying good.
It's the other one. Okay, why is that on your bed? That shell? Okay, yeah, well, we're shutting the light. I don't know why. I did.
Yes. Right, light one.
Well, yeah, sorry we had to go because of someone farted up in here. And if you want to see that video, it's the one before this. It's fucking hilarious. It's like so fucking funny. So, yeah. And, yeah, we just, well, she's gone to bed.
Sorry, don't feel good.
You didn't have to tell them that.
Whatever.
Yeah, she's not okay. She's a woohoo.
I'm just.
Um, just go to bed. Finally, she's going to bed. After I told her to go to bed in the last video, she's like, no. But she's going to bed now. So, yeah. So, peace out.